What's up, everybody? Big Uno here, bringing you another video. Working on that GMC now. All right, so what we're doing is we're gonna be putting the lower end springs and struts in. And never done it, so I'm gonna do this side, and then on the other side, I'll take y'all along with me, and we'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, as you can see, I've been working, which means we got one side of the springs put in, and I'm gonna show you what that side looked like, and then I'll give you a rundown on the other side on how to take it apart. And it's really not bad. But before I show y'all the truck, I want to show you the new springs and struts I'm putting in compared to the old one. As you can see, that's a significant difference in height there, along with the strut as well. So, with that being said, I don't know if you can tell by the video, she's leaning a little bit because she's got that drop in her. You can see we're about there on this side. We'll go over to the other side. So she's gonna hit, but I'm gonna get smaller wheels. I meant bigger wheels, smaller tire. Tire on it right now is a 245/75 16. I actually plan on running a similar wheel, just slightly bigger, on the R32. So, can't recall what this size is, but I'll get that, and then once I buy wheels for it, it'll look good. As you can see, this strut is blown to pieces. So just doing this will give me some good, or drive a little bit better. All right, stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you want to do is take your wheel off. The second thing I do is I take my tie rod off. That way I can go ahead and spin my my knuckle here. And that way I can get my Allen head socket in there. This guy, it's going to be a 9 here. So we'll put that in there. We'll move your caliper up out the way, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so my caliper's hung up. Next, I need to get this bolt here, and then this bolt holding that, and then the knuckle will fall. Because I already got the tie rod out. So what we're gonna need to do is put a jack up underneath of it, and then we'll brace it, and then go from there. I got ahead of myself here. I'm started putting it back together. Just again, quick rundown. Take your wheel off. Take your tie rod end off. That way you can turn your knuckle. Or if you have a correct socket to fit that, take your caliper off, hang that out the way. Then you're gonna want to take your sway bar end link off. Then you're gonna get this nut here. I think that's your upper ball joint. And then knock that out, and then this whole assembly will fall down, and you should be able to knock the stock spring out. And it's held on the factory, or the factory strut system is held on by 2 13s and a 14 up top. It's real simple, like anyone can do it. I'll give y'all a quick video once it's completely finished and pull it out into the sun. Stay tuned. All right, that's how it's looking. Definitely gonna have to get some new wheels, like as soon as possible. There is no room in between there whatsoever on the top right there, unfortunately. But yeah.